Action! Army Play Watchtower. Wednesday. Amitopia TV. Welcome to the demonstration of Xtreme Racing for the Amiga. This is a 3D racing game that came out in 1995 after the demise of Commodore. Let's play, and if you have any comments, put them below. Let's play, start the video right now. Well, let's try to find the game. Here is the Xtreme Racing icon, and let's just load it up. Xtreme Racing is known from Siltuna Software Limited. It was created after the demise of Commodore, but is one of the best racing games ever made for the Amiga. Here you can see the menu, and you can see the big influence from Mario Kart in it. You can have various settings, and you can have up to 4 players at once. I'm going to play with my Amiga CD32 controller, and that's how it will be played. But first, let's redefine the controls so it's easier to play the game for me. And I also changed the module to techno and jungle. Yes, weapons on, of course. And the game supports a 4-player adapter, which is really cool. And you can also link the game up with other Amigas. Let's just try a cup race and tortoise cup. There's also other challenges, and this is engine class, and let's just continue choosing the car. And I am very fan of Brad, and this is the first road, first level of this challenge of 4 different levels in various places. But first, it is important to change the settings to the machine you have, and I have an Amiga 1200 with 100 MHz CPU on it. And we want dust on all cars, of course. 100 MHz 060 managed to do that. And since this game came out in 1995, it got lots of settings, so that is an advantage. Most of the games that came out after the Commodore demise supports much more CPU routines and etc. So the graphics looks so much better. So here we go. I am on the first place. It's a bit hard to control the game with the CD32 controller. It works, but it is very, very tiresome. But somehow I managed to crash into that tunnel. Now I'm on 5th place. Yeah, this is a Mario Kart clone, so you get various weapons that you can shoot at on your opponents, enemies. So this is lap 3. And let's try to get through the whole game. Oh, that is a turbo. Okay. In this game you can actually drive on people. It was 1 or 2 years before GTA 3D version came out, so Xtreme Racing had it first, I think. Qualified, yes, at least at 2nd place. And this is the tropical Iceland's level. So you have to drive carefully and not to fall out of the water. That is light blue. You can see it here. The dark blue, if you fall out, you will die. And it's important to use the turbo and try not to kill them people out on the island. And this is a missile that is going around the level. You also have a homing missile and bomb and 3-way shooter. You can put up a banana like in the Mario Kart, and there's a grenade, I think, and you can also throw out sheeps, which is hilarious. As long as you stay on the islands, it is fast to drive in this game. Come on! Oh, 1st place. Oh, I think I killed too many people. But I'm winner. Yay! And sinking. So, at least I'm on the first place. Grasslands 1. And if you click the help button on Amiga keyboard, you get a map of the track you are going to race, which is really cool. And this level here is one of my favorite, because you can really drive like a maniac. And you have to, yeah, this corner here is awesome. And there is the sheep. The sheep is going. And Brad is a very nice guy. It's turning a lot. And now it's the turbo. Oh, no. Oh. The CD32 controller is a bit odd. But once you get used to it, it is fine. Well, we are back on the first place. This was the bomb? No, grenades. Ah, that is the three-way grenade. Come on, Brad. And the sheep. I'm racing with the sheep and a police car. Oh, come on, come on. Let's just come on. Come on. At the first place, I want to win this race. Yes, winner. That is a good thing, I guess. Still on the first place. Now this is the floating city. This is one of the more difficult levels, as you can fall out of the track quite easily. And like here, there's no fences on the edges of the road. This is a nice jump, and that yellow one is a jump icon. Turbo. Those enemies are very similar to the ones that you can find in Alien Breed 3D, the Killing Grounds for Amiga. And there's some things from Doom, I think. But who cares? It's a fun game. Okay, we are on the first place. That's good. Let's drive. Come on, car. Yeah, this is a missile, and this missile only goes straight forward. Let's not do any bigger mistakes here. Not too many brakes. Come on. There we go. Fast. Brad, come on. That's how we do it. Very good. Come on. No, the police car is in front of me. No. Oh, yeah, yes. Oh, that was a close one. Winner. Yay. So, first place. Yay! Congratulations. First place. You are truly an extreme racer. Well, this game can be quite hard, especially in the career mode. But in the racing challenges, it's not so difficult as you can see. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe, and if you have any comments, type them below. An awesome day, and an awesome day. Bye for now. Action! Army Play Watchtower. Wednesday. Amitopia TV.